Welcome back to Preyo Promo. In today's video, I'm going to show you top 5 hidden Facebook security tricks that most users don't use. These tricks will help you protect your Facebook account, secure your Meta account, and avoid hacking. So, watch till the end. Let's get started. Trick 1. Turn on Two-Factor Authentication. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. Step 2. Search for fb.com and log into your account. Step 3. Click on your profile icon, then go to Settings. Step 4. Tap on Meta Account Center. Step 5. Click on Password and Security. Step 6. Select Two-Factor Authentication, choose your account, receive the code, enter it, and press Continue. Step 7. Select SMS or WhatsApp, then click Continue. This makes your Facebook account much more secure. Trick 2. Backup two-factor security. Method. Select your Meta account and press Continue. Choose SMS or WhatsApp, then press Continue again. This ensures you never lose access to your account. Trick 3. Create a passkey for strong login protection. Step 1. Go to Password and Security and click Create Passkey. Step 2. Tap on Create Passkey. Step 3. Use a phone, tablet, or security key. This protects your account even if someone knows your password. Trick 4. Turn on login alerts. Step 1. Go to Password and Security. Step 2. Click on Login Alerts. Step 3. Select your account and turn notifications always on. You'll get alerts whenever someone tries to log in. Trick 5. Lock your Facebook profile. Step 1. Go to your profile. Step 2. Click the 3-dot menu. Step 3. If professional mode is on, switch it off. Step 4. Press Turn Off. Step 5. Again, click the 3-dot menu. Step 6. Tap Lock Profile and confirm. Now your profile is fully private and protected. Thanks for watching this tutorial on Preyo Promo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple and professional tech guides. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.